Hmm. All I know is, damn, that's crazy. That's crazy, dude. We'll definitely be talking about this tonight. Yeah, that's why you just stick to NinjaTrader 8. That's why you just stick to NinjaTrader 8 and not all these cartoon trading platforms that turn it into a game. Speaking of game, oh yeah, I just keep it there. Yeah, I just keep it there. They're gonna hate me at you profit. They're gonna hate me. I missed this good opportunity on the ES. Hmm. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, that's about right there. Yep, right there. Yep. Yep. Huh. Hmm. Throw some D's on that bitch. Yeah, I might be we'll see. I might be wrong here. I mean, we did get this big move up. We got the same thing on the ES. Mm. I mean, this could be supply right here. It could be. Or they might have ran this area out and they're gonna probably run it. They're gonna probably run it because I mean, if they wanted to, I mean, you got the EMA sloping up. Mm. Yeah, I'll just keep it like that. Mm. Well, shit, why not? We'll try it. We'll try the short. We'll try it. We'll try the short. Hmm. 332. Mm, yeah, probably put it like above that. It's like 23. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see what we can do with this. Let's see if it wants to make a rotation down right there. Um, Probably. Yeah, I could be wrong here. Mm, because we did see a strong move at the open. Obviously, an area of liquidity. Obviously. Hey, what's up, Rose Forest? You said that you just closed half your longs. Mm. I mean, we could keep going up. We can definitely keep going up. We got to remember that tomorrow is FOMC. So the market can still get bought up. I'm just taking a short to see if we'll get a pullback. I am taking this one in the sim. We actually talked about this level right here or this range in the NA meeting tonight. And as I was actually making the video tonight, and then Smith told me that there was a bounce, or there was a drop and then there was a bounce. When I finally got in front of my charts today, I was happy to see that it bounced within this range right here. So I was happy to see that. Really happy to see that. That's why you got to show up at the NA meetings, man. That's why everyone has to show up at the NA meetings, because the levels are definitely well thought out. It's highly likely that we'll see price rotate into these areas of liquidity. And if you're able to catch this move, uh, hmm, hmm, hmm. And we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I initially thought that before actually looking at the charts today, I actually thought that that the bears would come in at this range, but apparently there's a lot of liquidity in this range right here. I think this might actually qualify as a golden zone. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens uh, once we get more volatility going into tomorrow. Because if I see some more volume in this range, I'll turn it into a golden zone. That lets me know that at one point in time, there's a lot of market liquidity in this range. Look at Bookmap and see what they're talking about. Oh yeah, I was able to catch this move in Bitcoin. Profit is going to probably ban me from trading Bitcoin. I was able to catch this move from the top. Was able to catch this move. I took some profits in this. I took some profits here. I took some more profits as it went up. I think I still got like 2 or 3 running. Yeah, I got 2 pieces of it running, just in case we see a full range rotation down to this low. Probably put this up a little bit higher, maybe. Mm, mm. We'll see what happens. But we caught the top in this short and we rolled it down. I think I made about 1,800 so far. I can close this out with a $2,200 win, but I'm gonna let it ride. Let me see what happens. See if we can touch that target down there. Where's the 200 EMA at? 45. You probably won't get that because the 200 EMA is sloping up, so they might just buy it at 40. So I might have to put this at 47. Probably like 40. Yeah, 48. Yeah, I'm about to put it like right there. Yeah, I'm about to put it there. Hey, what's up, man? What's up, Alfred? Yeah, I was able to get my my Profit account. I know they hated giving it back to me at that price. I know they hated it. They're gonna ban me from trading Bitcoin for sure. Cause all I'm gonna do is trade Bitcoin in this account. I already made I took about $1,800 in profit. I'm gonna see if I can capture, $700 more. We'll see. We'll see what happens overnight. But yeah, they're talking about they tried to attempt to charge my card and it failed. And so they sent me manual links. I was like, dude, you ain't trying to attempt. You ain't do that shit. I just don't want me to have this account at this price. At least be honest. It was like, yeah, we tried to cheat you. We was just hoping that you was gonna let this one slide. Nah, we ain't gonna let it slide. Give me my damn account. I mean, I know they ain't gonna probably pay out, but shit, I'm just gonna have fun trading Bitcoin. That's it. Hey, what's up, Brandy? Hit a 0 payout account. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. I'm just gonna play in this account. I'm just gonna play in it. I mean, I'll request the payout, but I mean, I'm not gonna be surprised if they say no. I'm not gonna be surprised. I'm just having fun in this account. That's it. And it's cheap for it's like five K in static drawdown. I mean, that's pretty cheap. So for $190. So I'll just have fun. Brandy, I've been trading since 2020, 2019, I think. Yeah, I think I started trading in 2019. So I've been losing money for a long time. No, I'm just playing. I've been earning money for a very long time. I recently became profitable, like maybe a couple of years ago, maybe. I think everything started to click. 2022, maybe, or three. Yeah, it's probably like 2022 when everything started to click. Was able to get rid of all the noise, the manipulation news pumps, and then the reactions afterwards. Oh, did everybody? Damn, congratulations on that, Alfred. Hey, congratulations, man. I did not know that. Yo, Alfred really did. Hey, did you read that book? And then you said, you know what, I'm gonna be a winner. Is that what you did? Is that your secret sauce? That book that you shared? Because Alfred really did turn it around. I mean, he was a good trader before, but now he's highly profitable. Getting 5-digit payouts, or not 4-digit payouts, high 4-digit payouts, man. I think what you're up to, like what, 12, $15,000 in payouts so far, maybe more. Alfred was killing it. Alfred was so good. He was like, man, I'm on a payout streak. I was like, damn, good job, dude. Oh, boy, Alfred's on a payout streak. Yo, congratulations, Brandy. Brandy said that. Oh no, are you a female or are you a male? Anyway, Brandy said that they made 44K this year. What do you mean that you're capped? Are you capped at like prop firms or something? Or yeah, I did. Yeah. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred, man. 38,000. Dude, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm trying to be like Alfred. Nah, I gamble. Well, I wouldn't say I gamble. I just don't. I don't take profits. I could be up there with everybody else, but I just don't take profits because I'm on my target. But yeah, Brandy, I started trading options like everybody else. Um, I think, and I got really good at selling options. Uh, Tastyworks, Tastyworks, yeah, Tastyworks has a very good educational course for options, and I made so much money selling options. I mean, the odds are in your favor if you sell options. I mean, it's almost guaranteed to make money unless you really fuck up. Once I got a hang of selling options, I would sell Nvidia options, Tesla options, and XBX 0 DTE options. I made a lot of money doing that. Obviously, obviously the money was good, but it wasn't exciting enough. So you already know what happened after that. I went to those 0D, or not the 0 DTEs, but the SPY, and I would trade 0 DTEs, and I lost all that money like everybody else. Yeah. So yeah, yeah, man. I think I did that a couple of times as well. Not nec- Yeah, I did that a couple of times as well because of greed. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure. Yeah. But congratulations. Brandy says that she is. So you said that you capped out at 44K. What does that mean? That means, are you talking about, is that your personal cap? Or are you talking about at a prop firm? What do you mean by that? Oh, okay. Dang. So, dang. Hmm. So, I mean, let's talk about it. I mean, shit, the late night stream is the therapy stream. This is therapy. Uh, what have you been finding challenging about the market lately? Are you trading the Nasdaq or are you trading the ES, or which market are you trading? Yeah, what market are you trading? And yeah, them zero DTEs will get you. Sometimes I still get caught up in the zero DTEs sometimes. I've already made the I've already told myself that I'm not going to trade options anymore. The risk to reward is just not. I don't like the risk to reward. I mean, if I'm going to put $500 into an account, that's about 3 or 4 prop firm accounts right there. I can spend that money with these prop firms. Honestly, I really didn't. I really, like I said, I sold options, so I took advantage of the Greeks. Originally, I would sell options, and if I was wrong, I would roll them, which was rare because I mean, if you sell options, especially at an area of support, I mean, if you can catch SPY trading into an area of support, at least back then, and just selling options, it was easy money, man. It's not exciting, but it was easy money. I grew a 500K up to a 6K account. And once I got 6K, obviously I went on Twitter, saw how everybody was making quote unquote 10, 100, 200K in options, not understanding how they did that. I mean, there was risking 100K to make 10, but at the time, I thought that they were doing the same thing I was doing, risking small to earn large. Looking back, my performance was really good, but the the profits at the end of the week, like I said, I at the end of it, I grew it to 6K. But I was telling myself, well, if I can catch bottoms by selling options, then I can buy options and make more money, and then that's where the Greeks will get you. Now, I didn't fully understand that you got to buy at the right time. For one, you got to buy at the right spot, and you got to buy at the right strike. And that's why they say buying options is like the way that Tastyworks have the chart. It's a 3 to 1. Hold on, it's like a 3 to 1. Hold on, like let me see. So you have 3 ways to win. No, when you buy options, you only have one way to win and 3 ways to lose. And when you sell options, you have 3 ways to win and only one way to lose. And that's if it moves outside of your strikes where you're selling it at, and you run out of premium. And yeah, I got caught in that trap. I wish I understood it now. The way I wish I would like to have understood what I understand now then, because I would have kept selling options. I would have gradually grew my portfolio, and who knows where I would have been. I just would have kept selling options. At this point, because of these prop firms, by the time I figured that out, I was introduced to these prop firms, and obviously my money is better spent here and getting payouts. So it's better spent here. Yeah. How you trade silver? Actually, Smith trades silver now. Mm. Yeah, Brandy, I do the same thing. You're in company. I do the same thing. Uh, I think I've showcased. I mean, I think that's probably why we turned this stream into a therapy session because, man, October was a really good month for me. September, I mean, I usually have good months, but October was probably my biggest month. I believe I made 30K across all my accounts in I think a week or so. I was on fire in October. The price action was easy to read. We was getting about 100 plus point moves. I mean, the price action in October was great. And it's not that I have an ego. I just lose interest. That's my problem. I lose interest. And I become sloppy. I start to self sabotage and I blow up on my accounts. And I'll sit here and watch myself do it now because I'm aware of it. Blow all my accounts. For whatever reason, I'm compelled to take all bad trades. Like, I don't know why. I'm just compelled to take horrible trades. I don't know why, but I just do it. And then I blow up all my accounts and it's like, okay, all my accounts are gone. I get to start over. And then once I start over, that's when it's like, okay, we can build it back up. I don't know why I do it. I just do it. So, yeah. Yeah. You were killing it, man. Alfred. Yeah, Rose, you said that you choose to trade options and in 2014 and you found futures in 2014. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, dude. First they had the Smith alert, and then they was like, "Damn it, who's this guy Alfred? We got rid of Smith. Who's this guy Alfred?" Then they had to make an Alfred alert. You know, Alfred was killing his take profit account, man, killing it. It's like he didn't get caught in the trailing drawdown. He didn't get caught. Mm. Yeah. Everybody got the same backstory. Everybody always starts in options. I mean, shit. You got to be. I mean, if you don't have a $10,000 account, that's ideally the amount that you need to have trading futures because unlike options, you can lose more than you put into your account. And that's what makes trading futures very dangerous for those that don't know what they're doing. Those that don't have good risk management. And sometimes, oh, yeah, I think this is a good example right here. This situation with this guy, this Top Step Live. I'm pretty sure everybody's seen this story. Everybody's seen this story so far. I'm gonna show it to you because stuff like this can happen. This is why trading a small account on futures is very dangerous because this is very likely to happen in futures. And you don't ever want to be in a live account when this happens. Apparently, this trader right here, he's a Top Step Live trader. Um, he put his stop in profit, and obviously, I don't know where he went. I don't know why he would. Yeah. Anyway, that's not the point. That's not the point. Honestly, I'm surprised. Okay. Anyway, that's not the point. He put a stop in profit, and obviously he got filled all the way down here. His daily loss limit didn't trigger or anything. He just lost 11K. Now, these prop firms do have the discretion of not. I mean, if it's a technical issue, if it's a platform issue, they don't have to fix this issue. If Topstep fixes this, I mean, he's on Twitter. Well, I'm not going to use the word crying about it because I would probably feel the same way that he's feeling. I've been in this situation and I've already had the prop firm tell me that any platform issues, they're not responsible for, so they were unable to help me. So if Top Step resolves this issue, he should be thankful for it because they don't have to. It's in the contract that any platform issues they don't have to resolve. So that's why trading futures is dangerous with a small account, because this can definitely happen. But apparently, he set a stop loss. His daily loss limit didn't even trigger, and I guess he's saying now that Top Step is being slow to respond to this situation. I think the most that they'll probably do is probably give him the daily loss limit, and that's probably the best that they'll do if they even resolve this. If they resolve it. Uh, uh, yeah, I did too. I lost $1,500 in a day trading micros, or maybe it was minis. I don't know. I was like, yeah, I'm not doing this shit again. I'm not doing this shit. $1,500 went by so fast. I was like, nah, I ain't doing this shit again. That's all I needed to know, or that's all I needed to see with futures. Yeah, so we'll see. I mean, I guess I'll follow the story and see what the outcome is. But yeah, they don't have to fix any platform issues or anything like that. I guess this dude said it. Okay, yeah, this dude said it too. Say you need to read the fine print. No firm will credit you anything back on a technical glitch. They have disclaimers on the risk of trading web-based platforms. And yeah, I mean, I think that's very true. Top Step X does make this turns trading into a game, just like how Robinhood did turn trading into a game. And Top Step X does look like a game. Uh, I wouldn't ever put real money on a web-based platform ever. I will always stick with NinjaTrader 8. Always. Oh yeah, look at my Bitcoin play. See where we at on it. Um, yeah, they're gonna hate me for this. They're gonna hate me for that. Oh no, is that a gap? Is that a gap? Oh shit, that's a gap. Oh shit, let me put this. Let me put this all the way. Is that a gap all the way down there? 226, 34.65. Bitcoin's definitely gonna probably come back and fill that gap. I did not know there was a gap. All right, so 26, 27. All right, so yeah, we're definitely going to readjust this. And there's a whole gap right here. Mm. But the 200 EMA is at 45. Mm. All right, so this is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. This is what I'll do. I got 2 more contracts left. I'll split the baby on this one. I'll split it. I'll have 1 contract coming off at 3,600. Probably front run that a little bit. Mm, yeah, I'll split that. And then I'll let this last contract run and potentially fill that gap. Yeah, I'll let this last one run. All right, so we'll see if we'll get this hit. Oh yeah, I already took profits, dude. I took majority of it up. Yeah, they do. Yeah, that's something I'm going to definitely not do next year. I I mean, all the unrealized profits this year. All the unrealized profits this year. I'm not going to take that into next year. This is kind of why somewhat I kind of hate the swing account, but I love the swing account because it's like, dude, it can just keep going. I mean, it's just complete freedom. I can set a target, and if it takes a week for it to fill, it takes a week for it to fill. I got into what Friday to close this position out. Um, excuse me. One. Yeah, I'll leave these targets here because Bitcoin is definitely in a downtrend. I was telling Smith about this earlier. I was like, dude, you need to come over here to Bear Heaven. You need to come over here to Bear Heaven. Bears definitely get treated lovely over here. Bears definitely got it made over here. Mm. Speaking of Bears, I think my short is starting to work out somewhat. We'll see. Oh yeah, so Alfred, how'd you do today, man? Did you get caught in this did you get caught in this short? I mean, shit. Right before the stream ended, I was like, dude, just watch out for this level right here. Shit, we took that short on the ES, was able to catch this entire move down on the ES, or actually yeah, we was able to capture this move right here on the ES. Where the hell is that? Yeah, I think we got in short at 62. Yeah, we got in short literally at the top on ES. Caught this whole move down. Was able to get this was like $1,100 right here on the ES. I was honestly surprised that the ES kind of double bottom in this area on the December contract. If we do see a hmm, hmm. I'll still leave it here though. I'll still leave it here. But if we do see price run underneath these lows, there's a massive amount of stops underneath these lows. There's a massive amount of stops. I mean, this market bounced at this level once, twice, three, and this is his fourth time bouncing from this level. You get price to trade underneath it, we're definitely going down. Oh damn. So you blew a couple of accounts. Mhm. Yeah, I mean that's the one thing about the Nasdaq, man. I mean, shit. You definitely can get caught up in the noise, man. You definitely can. The Nasdaq will do that to you because it will just be like, oh yeah, buy, 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 and then out of nowhere it's like, oh, hold up, let's sell a little bit and get cheaper prices, and then buy, buy, buy some more. Bears get no love on the Nasdaq at all. None. Damn. So well, at least it didn't hit your stop. I mean, at least you was able to get that profit. And you said that you tried to add to some winners today and it didn't work. Yeah, so on the Nasdaq, that's kind of what I've been experimenting with on the Nasdaq. Being able to safely add to winners on the Nasdaq. But unless you're getting in at a pristine spot, and shit, how do you even determine a pristine spot on the Nasdaq? Cuz I mean, this shit'll just run in one direction. The only thing that I've found that works for me when adding to the NASDAQ is if you don't add around your initial entry, then it's just better off to not add to it at all. Because it can get real ugly if you try to add to it as it's going your way, because usually you just don't know if, okay, so if it's pulling back, is it going to keep going? Is it going to bounce? You just don't ever know because the NASDAQ is just too erratic. I find adding to the ES is much easier because once you get that full pullback, once it makes a strong low, it's not going underneath this low. Once that strong low is in, and then usually when it does go underneath the low, it runs the liquidity and then it runs back up. But the ES is easy to add to winners. But just like the NASDAQ, if you're not adding at the bottom, then it's like there's really no point trying to add to it as it goes up. At least that's what I've found. That's my opinion, obviously. Obviously, is my opinion. Because for the most part, the ES trades in a range for the most part. I mean, if you look at past price action, she's mostly trading in a range, and then she'll break out, she'll trade in a range, and then breaks out, and then trade in a range. She's mostly a range bound instrument, mostly until she breaks out, and then she'll begin to trend. But the Nasdaq will just keep on going. Mm. Well, shit. I think you saying adding to the short goes wrong. Alfred, you know that the Nasdaq is a freaking bull market. Shit, I've already given up trading shorting the Nasdaq. I've given up on that. If it's not in the sim, I don't even take shorts on the Nasdaq anymore, unless the setup is like a super setup, super setup on the Nasdaq. This is a bull's market. Shit, if you want to short, shit, come to Bitcoin. And I was actually thinking about just shorting Bitcoin, longing Nasdaq, and trading the ES, so I can have that trifecta. Mm, mm. So Brandy and Alfred, y'all guys are talking about fasting. Oh, that's interesting. I will say that I will say that eating certain foods does kind of give you brain fog if it's too heavy. I usually just eat oatmeal in the morning and then trade, and then I'll eat after I'm done trading. Yeah, that's definitely true. That's definitely true. Having a bias does affect trading for sure. Instead of just letting the charts tell you which side of the market you should trade. I mean, like I said, the main reason why I took this short is because of this double top right here. I mean, we got this liquidity right here that would suggest that the price shouldn't go up above this high. I don't think we get a full-fledged reversal because we got this strong low at 205. I don't think so, but I do think that we can get a pullback. We got the EMA sloping up. That short, was it last night that we took? Yeah, we took that short last night, worked out beautifully. We'll see if the shorts are going to work out again. And it seems like the only time to really short the Nasdaq is in the pre-market where all the bulls are asleep. The bears come out and short the market at nighttime. Mm. And that's interesting. I put a little what is it? Ashwagandha powder. Yo, that shit is like Ritalin, yo. Ashwagandha is like Ritalin. I don't know why that thing, like it's hard to be mad on that. It's hard to get angry with that. If you put that like in your food, like a or in your water, whatever you want to, your preferable way to ingest that is literally Ritalin. Literally ashwagandha. It says Nasdaq do you bad. But you said ginkgo bibligo, biblabo. I'm gonna look that up right now because that's my first time even seeing something like that. It's my first time seeing that. Let's see if we get that first target hit. Pause. It says genosperm tree. What the hell does that mean? A genosperm tree? Oh, so it's a memory aid. Okay. It's a memory aid. I was like, what is it used for? Mm. Oh no, let me pronounce this real quick so I can ask.
Ginkgo biloba.
Ginkgo biloba?
Ginkgo biloba.
Ginkgo, what?
Ginkgo biloba.
Biloba? Ginkgo biloba? Hey, Alfred, what do you use the ginkgo biloba for? I mean, what do you use it for? And how does it, um, what are the benefits that you see as you use it, as you take it? Ginkgo biloba? Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Let me put my daughter to bed real quick. Okay. All right. And you say you just turned 40. Is this recently, or are you talking about you turned 40 this year? But hey, man, I found a great remedy for age. Just don't track how old you are. I mean, I think that like, dude, it is so. That is just I don't know what it is. The mind is just very powerful, man. It really is. It really does create your reality. It really does create your reality. I don't celebrate birthdays. I don't even keep track of how old I am anymore. I really don't. It really doesn't mean anything. And because I don't keep up with my age, my mind doesn't know how to act, if that makes sense. That makes sense. I feel like I'm 20, so I do things like I'm 20, if that makes sense. Working out in the gym, high energy levels all day, mental alertness. I mean, that also has to do with my diet as well. My diet only consists of the same thing every day. I know my daughter's mom is like, dude, how do you do that? It's boring. It's like, the fuck? Eating ain't supposed to be fun. It ain't supposed to be fun. My body knows what's going to get every day. Meal prepped. All my food is meal prepped. It's the same thing every day. Same time every day. And even though it's not fun eating, as she says, I mean, she's right about that. It's just not like she's lying or anything, but it feels good to feel good all day versus eating food because it's what if it just tastes good, but it's bad for you. And then you get that as you eat it, it tastes good, it feels good to eat it, and then all day you feel like crap. So I feel like, man, when it comes to food and everything else, it's always a trade off. It's always a trade off with something. Always a freaking trade off. Oh shit! So you just had a birthday? Did you pop up? You didn't tell anybody it was your birthday, Alfred. What's up with that? You didn't say it was my birthday today or nothing. December 5th? Well, shit, happy belated birthday, man. That was what, Thursday? Earlier this month. This is the first week of this month. That means you're a Sagittarius, huh? A fire sign. A Sagittarius. Yeah, dude, honestly, I think that's what I think that's the key to quote unquote immortality. I'm not saying immortality in the sense that um obviously you can't be erased. What I mean by that is to keep yourself young and vibrant, moving around, being active. The more you work, the more you live. All right, about to get that first target hit, baby. I'm about to get that first target hit. We'll see if we'll get a bounce at 295 because 295 might be an area where the market might bounce. Oh, really? Oh, shit. Well, shit. My bad. My bad. Um, but yeah, yeah. Happy belated birthday, man. Uh, I don't drink alcohol anymore. And if I do drink alcohol, I'm a vodka person. I love vodka. Vodka, for whatever reason, gives me a lot of energy. For whatever reason, I become a different person on vodka. honestly, let me rephrase that. Back then, I feel like I'm more of an open person now, but I was a more closed off person. If I was a trader back then, some of the stuff that I do now, I wouldn't do. I would not do at all. When I said that I was very strict with myself on the stuff that I would do, I wouldn't do half the stuff I would do. But vodka opened that up. Vodka opened up doors. I had this one instance where I think I blacked out and I don't remember. I don't remember it. So me and my brother went to this club and obviously we get there, you know, I order me some orange juice and vodka because that's my favorite drink. Simple. It gets the job done. Apparently I must have, I mean, I really don't even know what to say because I guess I lost consciousness, I guess, maybe. Because I don't remember this. I really don't. And if my brother didn't record this situation, I wouldn't have believed him because I don't remember it. And apparently, I was dancing with this girl. And I guess the way I was dancing with her, I guess people thought that we was going out. It was just this random chick. And when I came to, I was wondering why she was looking at me crazy. I was like, why is this girl looking at me crazy? And because, you know, I started, you know, I was dancing with, you know, other people as well. But I was like, why she looking at me crazy like that? And then this one dude was like, hey, can I dance with your girl? And I was like, yo, what the hell are you talking about? It's like, what are you talking about? And then my brother showed me the video and shit. I was like, dang, no wonder why people thought we was going together. The way we was dancing with each other. I was just gone on off vodka, whatever it was. But I think that situation, I was like, yeah, I never want to be in a situation like that ever again. So I maybe have like maybe one or two drinks and that's it. I never go past that. Never go past that. Never go past that. Mm. Shit. I must cuz like dude, I really don't remember that. And that was the first time that I've ever experienced cuz I mean, you know, I would drink before that. Um and vodka, I mean, obviously I know vodka's an alcohol, but I guess the way that my body processes vodka, it doesn't mm, like I said, I don't get drunk. It just gives me a lot of energy. That's what it does to me. It makes me feel, it gives me a lot of energy. And I just want to, like, if I'm in the club, I'll just start dancing. I was never a dancing person. So when people said, like, dude, you was dancing, I was like, what the hell are you talking about? Dancing? I don't dance. That shit ain't cool. I'm playing. But yeah, he showed me the video of me dancing. I was like, yo, I don't dance. Like, obviously, vodka must, like I said, opens up other doors, I guess. Other doors, other parts of my personality at that time that I would block out. I guess my fun side. I'm very social when I'm drunk as well. I mean, now y'all see it now. How I am now is probably uh, how I would be on when I would drink vodka. But I was very introverted back then, closed off, didn't care to talk to people, all that. But obviously, that's not the case no more. Obviously, I enjoy having conversations with people now. It's interesting to have conversations with people. Mm. He says, "Take that, take that." That Diddy drink. Take that, take that. That's so funny. Mm. So the NQ short working out. Damn, I should have took that short on ES. Apparently. Maybe I should have took that short on ES. Nah. But what I will say is that I don't drink for whatever reason. Dark liquor like that drains me of everything. Dark liquor, I'm not a dark liquor person for whatever reason. If I drink, my brother for whatever reason back in the day, all he drank was Hennessy, and he gave me a shot of Hennessy, and I was like, no way. I was on the ground, like I was literally laying on the ground. It's like, yo, I would never drink that shit ever again. Crown, I don't like Crown either. I did not like that feeling. It's just all dark liquor. I just don't drink. Tequila, clear tequila. No, it just makes me sleepy. Like it mellows me out. Tequila mellows me out, so I don't drink that either. I just stick with vodka. That's it. Brandon says that you might be in bed. I mean, as you get older, I mean these holidays are just for younger people. As you get older, it don't mean nothing anymore. It's just another day. It's just another year. It's all that stuff just doesn't mean anything anymore. It doesn't have the same significance as it did as you were growing up. Yeah. Yeah, I feel the same way too, Alfred. I'm only drinking maybe a glass and that's it. That's it. All right. So we definitely have to we def excuse me. We definitely have to be very mindful about tomorrow. We got the rate decision tomorrow. It's already, I mean, unless something happens tomorrow, we're getting a rate cut tomorrow. Um, okay. Don't know what the hell happened there. Yeah, so we're getting a rate cut tomorrow for sure. Or it's highly likely that we're getting a rate cut tomorrow. If we don't see a rate cut tomorrow, we will see a very sharp drop. We will. Because the market is expecting at least a 25 basis point cut tomorrow. If Powell stays steady, we are highly likely to see a drop as well. So, but I mean, I'm pretty sure if he stays steady, we'll see like a drop and then they'll probably buy it right back up. During the press conference, I'm pretty sure he's going to be asked about Trump again. But I think Powell is going to finish out his term regardless of, because the crazy thing is, I think Trump was the one that appointed Powell, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken, it was Trump the reason why Powell got the job. So it's interesting now that they're feuding because obviously in those inner circles like that, if somebody gives you power, uh, it's not seen well biting the hand that feeds you. It's not seen well because since everybody is operating at a quote unquote high level at that how do I want to say it? At that level, playing this game at that level. And I'm talking about, just for the lack of better terms, the servant and the master. If somebody else see that you portray someone that once fed you, they can't ever trust you. They can use you, but they can't ever trust you, because if you can bite that person's hand, you'll definitely bite mine. And so it's very interesting that quote unquote Powell is feuding with Trump, if I'm not mistaken. So it'll be interesting to see the dynamics between Trump and Powell once Trump comes back into office. And yeah, we'll see what happens. We all know that Trump is, I mean, it's no secret that Trump wants more rate cuts. It's no secret that that's what he wants. I saw this video. Let me see if I can find it. Let me take this off screen just in case I get copyrighted by some crazy crap. Let me take this off screen real quick. Of course, I'm not going to be able to find it. But anyway, it was a video by the guy from Tastyworks, and he was stating that bonds are saying that there won't be any rate cuts in 2025 based on bonds. Let me see if I can find that video so y'all guys can watch it yourself, because I'm not very familiar with bonds and stuff like that because I don't care for it. But yeah, it seems like I can't find that video. I'm even looking on their page, and I guess I can't find it. I'll find it. But if we don't see that rate cut in 2025, obviously that's going to be a problem with Trump, obviously, because that's exactly what he wants. He wants there to be more rate cuts. I think what Trump wants is obviously for the United States to relive his first presidency. Obviously, low rate cuts, or low interest rates, a booming economy. Everybody had money in their pockets. I think, I mean, why wouldn't you want to relive that? Why wouldn't you? So we'll see. We'll see what happens. But those are the things that we're going to have to probably watch out for tomorrow with Powell. And we have Micron reporting earnings right after the bell. So depending on how the market reacts to FOMC, we might see a counter tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah, that's all we got tomorrow. All we got is the FOMC rate decision. That's it. We do got some housing news, some building permits at 7:30, which it really shouldn't be any. It shouldn't be a market mover, honestly, especially with the Nasdaq. Maybe the ES, but not the Nasdaq. Yes, I mean, all we have to wait for, or all we have to watch out for, is Powell. That's about it. But obviously, with Thursday GDP, and on Friday we got PCE. So before, the narrative of if we were going to get a rate cut, GDP and PCE is a part of GDP. So these data points, when they were released, would be market movers. Now that we're no longer in the environment of if we're going to get a rate cut, it's how big of a rate cut that we're going to get. I'm not saying that we won't see the market react to these data points, but I'm not expecting it to be a big reaction, especially after we get the rate decision tomorrow. But obviously, we have to wait and see what happens. I mean, it wouldn't make sense for the market to react after we get the rate cut, because that's the whole point of GDP and PCEs. The whole point. It's inflationary data. So I really wouldn't see the market overreact to this data, but we'll see. I mean, the market's the market. But obviously we have then we have option expiration and contract. We have quad bridging on Friday as well. So this week is definitely going to be volatile. I mean, it's already volatile, but as we get closer to the end of the week, it's going to see an uptick in volatility. Yeah, so okay. We'll see if the bear is going to hold this. I was able to get that small first target right there. We'll see if it will be able to yeah, but yeah, that thing might just start sloping down. Okay. But all right, guys, I'm gonna end it here. We'll come back tomorrow at New York Open. Just be prepared for whatever happens tomorrow. I should be able to stream the FOMC minutes. I should be able to stream that, at least the conference. I should be around like 1:30. Yeah, I should be back. I should be able to stream that. But all right, guys, we'll come back at New York Open. With that said, peace out, everybody.